one? Big one. Oh, big one! You want to watch TV? You sit there and watch TV there. Gusto mo talaga magkalat doon. Okay, go. Kabaro na siya. Alright, bye-bye. What do you say? You're welcome. Yummy? Big one. Ayla, do you want some bread? Which one? I'll let you choose. A big one like Alo's? Look at Alo's. Do you want that? Yeah? Okay. Here, baby. Princess. Ate. Yummy. Francis sa umaga. Huh? Oh, we'll put cream. We'll put cream, okay? Band-Aid? Okay, we'll put Band-Aid. Coco Pops naman siya ngayon, oh. Hindi yan naubos yung bread niya. Coco Pops. Yummy? Do you want more milk? No? Okay. Good boy. Good eating. Say good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Ito yung natira. Kainin natin.
Oh!
You got your slide on. You got the slide back. Yeah, you got the slide back. Who put it back? Who's gonna see Daddy tomorrow? Yes! Is Daddy coming tomorrow? Yeah. Do you miss Daddy? Fight.
Where's our car?
Our car is in the garage. Whose car are we using? Is it Lolo's car?
Lolo's car.
Because we're just gonna do laundry.
Policeman.
Policeman. Hello, that's an ambulance.
Why?
Ambulance.
Why someone sick?
Huh? No, someone's not sick. Oh, yeah, tingin tayo ng mga
Why
prutas.
someone's not sick?
No, they're not sick. Ambulance is just going somewhere. Palondry kami, guys. Sama-sama kami. Kakatapos lang namin maligo. Uy, ang ganda kayong ilakad-lakad. Oh, walang hindi mainit. Walang mangustin. Ito yung ating view.
Mom, watch out!
Watch out, Tito!
Truck.
Truck! Ka-nice. Hindi mainit. It's okay. Where are we going? Nice. Watch out, Alo! You okay, Alo? You happy?
Why are you doing faster?
Oh, ask Tito.
Why are you doing faster?
Why are you going fast, Tito?
You want slow?
Yeah.
Okay.
So be safe.
Be safe.
Okay, Princess.
Who's at the back? Oh! Say hi to Tito Wings!
That's the next Tito.
Where's the next Tito?
Tito Mark.
Tito Mark's at home.
Tito Mark out.
Hello.
Oh my gosh! Tito Mark's here! Boyong matay ka, kid?
Hello, buddy.
Look at Alo. Is that you, Tito? Is it fun?
Hello.
Is that a doggy? Konti lang daw.
Akar.
Ayan.
What is that doggy doing?
Doggy sleeping. There's a lot of doggies.
Hello, doggy. Doggy.
Where's the doggy, Alo? They
Hiding.
hiding, yeah.
Hiding.
I'm not sure. Maybe it's sad. Hmm? No, not sad. Just tired.
Wala tayo kwarta.
Oh, bitaw wala tayo nagkakwarta. Alright, come on, Aldo. Ayla, come on. Okay. Say bye to the doggy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, doggy. See you
Bye-bye.
later. Thank you, te.
Tara na.
Wala, may kwarta. Kabalik na kami guys. Pili kami chicken ni Ayla. Pagdating kasi namin, ang daming nakapila kasi nagluluto pa. So, sobrang fresh pa ngayon. Put your shoes on, ate. Yeah. Gusto ko i-try yung chicken nila. Tapos ang maganda pa, nakakapili ka ng part. Ikaw lang kukuha ba sa...
This is the right way.
No, wrong way. Other foot.
One way.
Yep, that one.
This is a burger mind. And
There you go.
lolly. And lolly.
And then, this one.
And the will kill.
Sige na. That's okay, baby. Come on. So, yung dala ko, 60 lang, guys. Kasi 20 lang yung isa. So, tigi-isa kaming tatlo. Come on, Ayla. What do you want? Ingay showtime, guys. Kain tayo. Ito yung nabili kong ano. Kain na, gamay, mabi. Look at the chicken. Naubusan na, guys, kasi ang daming nag-aabang. Bagong luto kasi. Ang dami, ubos na yung chicken. But yung mga bata, kumakain ng drumstick. Meron silang drumstick, maliliit din. Happy birthday na. Nagkanta-kanta na. Nagluto si mama ng nilagang paan ng baboy na may kalabasa. Just to keep him safe. So he doesn't fall. Nandun meron silang gravy, oh. Akin na yung gravy, guys. Ay. Eto. So, 20 pesos tapos meron kang gravy ganito sa isa. Sarap siguro to eh. Kain tayo, guys. Chicken. And si Mark nakabili ng lansones. And rambutan. Kain tayo, guys.
Mama,
Baby.
I thought so spicy.
Huh?
It was spicy.
Yeah, it's a spiky fruit, but it's really yummy.
Wow.
Anghang-anghang. Kain tayo, guys. Mukbang na this.
One more.
Yan.
Ito.
Try natin chicken. Ito. Mahal. Naman chicken. Ilang beses sila nagluluto sa isang araw? Maraming beses? Ilang beses nagluluto sa isang araw?
Tulo.
Oh, rice! Okay. I'll give you rice.
Masarap.
Masarap din yung gravy. Very, siya, diluted, but may lasa. Alright, here, rice. Rice, kasi patulugin na kita. Big bite. There you go. Yummy rice.
More. Mama. Wipe my hands.
Ay, ngitang pagkingan ng subangan.
Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Kahit tayo prutas. Si Miss, pauwi na ngayon. Kasi, nasabi ko ba, nag-extend nga siya kahapon. Meron tayong rambutan. Oh my goodness. Masarap rambutan, Kel? Sabi ni Makel, masarap daw yung rambutan. Ang liliit ng rambutan, ang kukyot. Kung sa Australia, ang lalaki dito, ang kukyot. Sobrang.
Hindi mo ngurang yung rambutan ron.
Aray, hindi pa hindi pa season. Ano sana? Siniguelas? Ano nga ulit? Bukas? Bukas daw may siniguelas, sabi ni ate. Kasi yun yung season ngayon eh. Siniguelas at santol.
Mangga.
Mangga, kain. Ay, kalame. Huh? Lansones naman. Ito yung paborito ni Miss. Hindi ganun katamis. Kaya lang lansones.
Aslom yan. Okay.
Yung maasim nga. Pero okay lang. It's not a strawberry, babe. It's lansones. Try it. Strawberry daw. Walang strawberry dito, no? Walang strawberry.
Nasa Baguio.
Nasa Baguio. Punta Baguio? Try it. Can I try?
Oh, ano niya?
Ayaw niya? Maasim?
Yes, luman.
Nakain. So, na-try Ella? So, pinatry ka rito. Sabi niya kanina, matamis daw. Matamis yung na-try mo.
Anong ganda?
You want dinosaur? Let's go to bed, Arlo. Let's get some sleep while it's early. Na 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 na, mother, father.
Magkatabi? Gabi lain na, ne?
More? Okay. Wait.
Banana.
Doon ako manggahan eh. Pumupigi kayo.
Ano na? Banana. Yummy?
But I'm
Okay, it's coming. Just wait. It's coming. A big one. You want a big one?
A big one.
I can give you a big one, but I need to remove the seed.
A big one.
Oh my gosh.
A big one.
Yeah.
Big one boat.
Careful, ha? Buyag, kumain. Si Arlo, kailan sunis. Cute yan.
Bubi!
Yan eh.
There's the lollies in here.
What do you have there, baby? Oh my gosh. Umalis sila ni Mama. Bumili sila ng lollipop, guys.
Ayun lang.
Tingin
I want
lollipop.
this.
Ayan, on, daghan.
Can I have 4?
Can Tito have some?
4?
You're not sharing?
I want 4.
Just one, Tito.
No. That's all Arlo.
Oh,
Okay.
it's for Arlo. Oh, good ate.
Why you put this here?
Tito. Ang ganda ng outfit mo today, Bob. I love your outfit today. Well, you're wasting it, baby. Put it in the eyeball. Here. It's got a container. Bumili siya 2 eyeball. Siya daw pumili nito eh. Ang bango niyang kinakain mo. Watermelon ata yan. Laki-laki pa ng lollipop. Tagpilang lollipop, ma? Tagpila? Lollipop. Tag-5 lang yung lollipop. Oh. Bili tayo niyan marami, ma. Tagal maubos. Dito kami sa rooftop. Ang ingay kasi may misa.
Like that? No?
Is that safe? Safe yan? Ganyan? Yeah.
Kaya di siya po. Ano? Kaya ni multi-cup daw ka mo.
Meron swing sila. Wala kasing playground dito. So, dito na lang tayo. Swing. Careful, ha? Ito, oh. Kain-kain ng Dunkin Donut. Oh, nandito na pala si Miss. May dalang Dunkin Donut. Ang sarap, guys. Yeah. Oh. Sus, kulang na kulang. Anyi, ubos na.
Kasi gabi ni ka.
Barbecue haul! Dali na, miss?
Chicken.
You want chicken? Ito lahat, 800 to guys. 800 na bayaran ni mama.
Chicken.
Mahal?
Dami.
Dami. So, bumili si mama na tatlo paa. Paa yan ng manok. Tatlo daw na ganyan. Asa na yun? I don't eat that.
I don't eat that.
No, I don't like that. Do you want to try that, Alo? Sige.
It's barbecue too.
Yummy?
Mom, it's barbecue too.
It's barbecue. You want some pork barbecue? You like barbecue? Si Arlo, kain yan.
Why is that?
It's feet. It's not hand. It's feet.
Each one.
Chicken feet.
Okay.
May mga
Why
backbone.
it's
Wait sa guys, wait sa.
feet?
May ganito ito. Gusto ko masarap.
But why is it feet?
Ha?
Why is it feet?
What do you mean?
Why is
Feet.
it feet?
Why is it feet?
Feet? It's chicken feet. Tita Rich wants it. Hey, Ayla.
Iputo sa plastic.
What is this?
Hotdog.
I want hot dog.
Huh?
I need to have one. Wow, you both are the big ones.
Yeah, careful please. There's a stick. So be careful.
Harlo, bantay.
This.
It's okay. I'll
Hindi
just-
akong patlo ng tongay.
Tito will cut it. Kaya pala 800 guys. Pinakyaw ba yung mga barbecue? Sobrang dami.
Palitan ta ni
Kami
Green
lang
Horse,
kakain.
You know why?
Palitan ta ni Green Horse, che.
Palit yung gadon dito.
Pulutan na to, che.
Pulutan na to, che.
Grabe, pinakyaw ni Mama ang tinda na nagtitinda ng burger. Ang dami talagang in-order. Ayan! Samut-sari. Atay. Chicken backbone.
Which one's that one?
Tingnan yung buboy oh.
That one. Which one's that one?
That's chicken breast.
Tagay ko tayo.
Sirloin.
Alon! That's feet. Wow! Alos eating chicken feet.
Tambok. Nung kaan sa papagtambok? Ha?
Chicken feet, yes.
Duha ka tambok ya.
Chicken feet.
Ito na, Nay.
Bisang pagkuhaan pa ni mo dagan. Tapos dapat
Papa na sa'yo mo reklamo dito. Daghanan. Daghanan. Mura na orosay.
Samo, ano ba? Nang daghan ganyan hato dire.
Nasobraan ang order. Sabi si Arlo, nahihirapan na. Paano ba itong kainin to, oy?
Hirapan sa kalisod.
Oh, request man daw ni Nimo, ikikaon na na.
Oh, yeah, imo man ang gitilaan pa.
Nadawan. I'll give you this one. Pork. This one, pork. Oh, yes.
Mamay.
Careful, Arlo. Let's eat. Same the content na ako.
Asa pa pinako ano? Ang ako asa dapat?
Pwede ka na. Tapa diri niya. Butang dira.
Dali na ka.
Atay. Oh my gosh. Where are we going, guys? Ayla, where are we going?
Let's go.
Ayla. Rides. Punta kami perya, guys. Ha? A carnival. Off lotion muna. Kasi
Why?
ito suki ng lamok ng Pilipinas.
Mosquito.
Let's go.
Arlo ready na oh.
Saan mo nog?
Lala, barong pa. Hi! Are you very high? You're very high! Lalakad na kami guys. Papunta sa perya. Medyo madilim. Hindi medyo madilim talaga. Buti naglakad yung mga bata. Oh. Careful ha! Careful. It's full of grava. Watch out!
Basta mato, di mo to, di mo dito lang.
Kaya nga, pag nadapa, ang sakit nito. Mga pebbles. Maaga pa guys, so hindi pa naka-up lahat ng rides. Ito lang muna. Agoy ang copyright. Ito guys. Dami-daming piso. Punong-puno yung bag. Daming piso. Ito pa quality. Sinor pa plastic.
Home shop talaga kayo mga
Ay, ala! Yun na, nahulog na. Yung dalawa, oh, cute-cute. Ha? Hindi ka na 0 piso, ala? Pwede na tanda na eh.
Si Arlo. Pasudlan ang Arlo. At tiradang mama, plato mangyad. Oy, nice. Bade. Mana ba? Ano, throw! Throw! Igang, tigbantay! Ay, ang gatag ni mo de. Ay, la, throw! Ato ko lang kino wala na tao.
Asang color game? Tara, tara! Piso. Pin! Wala tayo palang ilo. Wala pin?
Pink ka berme te? Ate, pink ka berme? Kalbo! Kangkinsa ka na, no? Wala, natagak. Natagak. Panapi. Asa ka, te?
Wala nang gana si Ayla, guys. Kasi yung horsey na ride, hindi pa gumagana, hindi pa ata tapos. Ayan, tingnan niya si Arlo. Ang saya-saya. May nagbibingo na. Wala kami, hindi kami nanalo, guys. Order na lang kami dito ng drinks. Taste tickles. Good night. Thank you, boy. Alright, on the bed, on the bed. Good night. On the bed. You okay, hello?
Well, every time my hair.
Yeah, lay down first.
Go.
Go. Hello, say good night. Good night, be good. Good night, baby. Guys, bukas na namin makikita si Daddy. We will pick up Daddy tomorrow.
Buy me some flowers.
And we will check in sa resort as well tomorrow. So, nakapag-pack na ako. Okay na ang lahat. Nakaready na yung damit ng kids. Yan yung susuotin nila bukas. We're all good. We're gonna go into a resort so you have fun. You can swim all day long if you want. And they have playgrounds there as well. Stop scratching it, baby. Lagyan ko ng popo yung mga niya, mosquito bites niya. Don't scratch it. I already put popo on it. Alright, let's go. Good night. Yeah, I did. Alright, come on. Lay down. Lay down. Lights off. Good night, guys. Be good. Bye. Thank you for watching.